Transportation. There was this one time when my friend Emily just came back from the UK, so we decided to meet up at a restaurant for a catch-up. On that day, a Friday afternoon, I received a call from her saying that she would be late. It was a bit surprising because Emily is usually very on time. So when we finally sat down, she explained, "I totally forgot I had to yell stop on the minibus, and the driver just drove all the way past my stop. I had to take a taxi back here. What a hassle." Thinking it was a bit funny, I recalled how yelling to get off a minibus is unique to Hong Kong's culture. Green minibuses are operated on fixed routes with scheduled headway and fixed fares. Drivers in general are less aggressive because they are paid on hourly rates. These buses are usually company-owned, so they accept transport card payments. Red minibuses, on the other hand, are operated by individuals. They are free to operate anywhere. There is almost no control over routing, headways, and fares. These are the type where you have to pay in cash. If you need to get off, you would have to yell loud enough to let the driver know. You need to know the usual drop-off points so that you know when to yell. This could be tricky for tourists or foreigners. In places like the UK or Canada, people have a small chat with the bus driver before they start driving. But regardless of which country you're in, you're always encouraged to say thank you when you get off the bus to show appreciation and respect. Speaking of commuting, we have something called car etiquette when it comes to getting into someone's car. Just to name a few. Firstly, when you borrow someone else's car, you should return it with a full tank. Secondly, the most important person, or anyone older than you, sits in the front passenger seat. Thirdly, when your friend's driving, it's rude to sit in the rear seat unless you want to make him or her feel like a chauffeur. But if you are driving, your boss can sit anywhere he or she wants. Fourthly, if you're a man who has to pick up a lady in your car, you're supposed to hold the door open for her. Of course, if she doesn't want your help, then don't. Same thing when you arrive at your destination. Be one step ahead and open the door for your guest. And finally, when two men and two of their female colleagues are traveling together, the men are supposed to sit in the front while the ladies should hop in at the back.